One of the biggest questions creators and entrepreneurs ask is, how do I find my niche? The advice is everywhere. Pick one topic, one audience, one problem. But if you're a multi-passionate person, that can feel like a trap. You don't want to be boxed in. You want freedom to explore, to evolve, to grow. Here's the truth. Finding your niche doesn't mean limiting yourself. It means creating focus so your audience knows why they should pay attention. It's not about shrinking your world. It's about sharpening your message. Think of your niche as your entry point, not your prison. It's the front door to your brand, the place where people discover you. Once they're inside, you can show them everything else you do. The people who win online aren't always the ones who know the most. They're the ones who make it easy for others to understand what they stand for. Clarity builds connection. So how do you find a niche without losing your freedom? Start by asking 3 questions. What do I love talking about? What can I teach or help people with? And what do people actually care enough to pay for? Where those 3 answers overlap, that's your starting point. Not forever, just for now. Your niche can evolve as you evolve. The most successful creators allow themselves to pivot. They let their curiosity lead them into new topics and ideas, but they do it with intention. They bring their audience along for the journey. In the beginning, think of your niche like a lighthouse. It helps people find you in the noise, but once they trust you, they'll follow your light anywhere. So don't wait for the perfect niche. Pick one direction and start walking. Clarity comes through action, not overthinking. Remember, you are the constant. Your interests might change, but your voice, your values, and your perspective are what make your brand unique. You're not choosing one box to live in. You're choosing one doorway to invite people through. So find your niche, but keep your curiosity alive. That's how you build a brand that grows with you, not one that traps you.